that what we needed was a pseudo armor around the world. Remember that? Whether it impacted our precious freedoms or not. That's what we needed.
Well, that didn't work out, did it?
I said we'd lose. You said, we'll do that together too. And guess what, Cap? We lost. And you weren't there. But that's what we do, right? Our best work after the fact. What are the Avengers? We're the Avengers, not the pre-Vengers.
Okay.
Right?
You made your point. Just sit down, okay?
No, here's my point. You know
Tony,
what? She's
just sit,
great.
sit down.
We need
Look,
you.
sit
You're
down.
new blood.
Come here.
A bunch of tired old mules. I got nothing for you, Cap. I got no coordinates, no clues, no strategies, no options, zero, zip, nada. No trust. Liar. Here, take this. You find him. You put that on. You hide.